Good evening, everybody. Welcome back to Bale Friends, and this is Sandy's suggestion. So I'm at the base of one of my citrus trees, and you can do this with any of your fruit trees. So let's turn the camera, and I have nasturtiums growing at the base of the fruit tree. And you can do this with apples, peaches, pears, citrus. The nice thing about nasturtiums, it makes a living mulch. The bees will love the flowers. But also, you can eat these flowers. Seriously, you can literally eat them. They are kind of peppery tasting. They come in a lot of different colors, but see how the bees just love them. Look at all that pollen on that bee's legs. So my suggestion for you today, put some ground cover underneath your trees. That's a living mulch. And later on, they'll just die back, they'll reseed themselves, and they'll come up every single year. Have a great day.